Hello students, welcome to SST class. Let us resume our topic understanding laws. Every year our representatives pass many new laws and amend the existing ones. Nowadays there are many new laws enacted to control pollution, laws on triple talaq, that is a regressive practice against women, and Citizen Amendment Act, which was criticized badly in Assam. How do these new laws come about? The parliament has an important role in making laws. It is often different groups in society that raise the need for a particular law. An important role of parliament is to be sensitive to the problems faced by people. Let us understand it with the example domestic violence. Domestic violence refers to the injury or harm caused by an adult man, usually the husband, against his wife. Injury may be caused by physically beating up the woman or by emotionally abusing her. Abuse of the woman can also include verbal, sexual, or economic abuse. Conversion of bill to an act. In December 2002, the Standing Committee submitted its recommendation to the Rajya Sabha, and these were also tabled in the Lok Sabha. The committee's report accepted most of the demands of the women's group. Finally, a new bill was reintroduced in Parliament in 2005. After being passed in both houses of Parliament, it was sent to the President for his assent. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came into effect in 2006. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 extend the understanding of the term domestic to include all women who live or have lived together in a shared household with the male member who is perpetrating the violence. Voice of citizen. The role of citizen is very important in helping Parliament frame different concerns that people might have into laws. At every stage of the process, the voice of the citizen is a crucial element. This voice can be heard through TV reports, newspapers, editorials, radio TV broadcasts, local meetings, all of which help in making the work of the parliament thus more accessible and transparent to the people. Right to Information Act. Unpopular and controversial laws. Sometimes the parliament passes a law that is unpopular. Rosa Parks, an African American woman, refused to give her seat on a bus to a white man on 1st December 1955. Her refusal was a key event that marked the start of the civil rights movements, which led to the Civil Rights Act in 1964. People might criticize this law, hold public meetings, write about it in newspapers, reports to TV news channels, etc. In a democracy like ours, citizens can express their unwillingness to accept repressive laws framed by the parliament. When a large number of people begin to feel that a wrong law has been passed, then there is pressure on the parliament to change it. Hawkers and vendors protest against municipal laws. People who think that the law is not fair can approach the court to decide on the issue. The court has the power to modify or cancel laws if it finds that they don't adhere to the Constitution. We need to remember that our role as a citizen does not end with electing our representatives. We have the right to criticize government action when we feel it is required. It is the extent, involvement, and enthusiasm of people that helps Parliament perform its representatives' functions properly. I hope you understand the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.